Smokeless Chimney Technology Videos Red Shift Blue Shift. We're working on an incense test protocol here. It's very similar to the candle. The subtext of this video is technology versus technique, or technology and technique. How do they differ and how are they used here? We've jumped ahead a few minutes. You can see that the opacity is increasing and the color is changing. Which direction do you think the color is going? I've written up a protocol. It's a draft protocol, but it allows us to get started on comparing different tests together. As long as you know they are run per protocol, you can compare tests. The chart above is part of my technique, and it shows that we are getting more red light through the smoke than blue light. The red line is up and the blue line goes negative. I generated this chart, and I really had to stare at it a while to figure out what it was telling me. What I determined was there was more red light getting through. We moved forward in time again. We're nearing the 10-minute point where we remove the smoldering or smoking device from the test area. I also take it over to the sink and make sure it's out. Talking with Dr. Rapp at Berkeley, incense is not wood smoke. It's well, I'll have to get more details on it. It's definitely smoke. We can measure it, but it's not the same as wood smoke. And I think it's larger particles, but there'll be more information on this coming. Now we can talk about technology versus technique. The technology is the electronics and the sensors and computer programs, but the technique is how I deliver the information, how I chart the graphs, how I present the data, how I analyze the data, how I determine what it means. And I do think that this type of smoke gives us a red shift in the light. So we get more red light through the smoke than we get blue light, or it's blocking more blue light than it is red light. We have purged the smoke from the test area and the opacity has returned to 0. So this test is done, and I thank you for watching.
Smokeless chimney is the way. Smokeless chimney saves the day. We breathe clean air because of you.